share my wonderful experience which is helping me to build my career in a very great way by choosing a wonderful opportunity called Superstar Students and Parents. Through this opportunity, many students are getting to know why education is important and how it is going to construct their life by getting amazing study modules and excellent education. I know many students are waiting for a small chance or for a small opportunity through which you can build your career. And although many parents have spent lakhs together on our education and we are patiently waiting like 16 to 20 years for a small opportunity, many are lacking opportunities. So trust me, my dear brothers and sisters, many are getting outside only theoretical knowledge, but students here are getting educated three-dimensionally, like practically, theoretically and technically. So I would like to thank Dr. G. sir for creating such a wonderful platform for all the students and making each and every parents to see their children successful. And here students are not only educated, so in academic wise, but also in a culture, ethics, values and morals, and taking the responsibilities, respecting every parents and respecting every girls. And trust me, this type of education is really needed to our country to get successful. And I would like to request each and every student and parents to please select this opportunity and support this platform so it can help many other families to get success. Thank you.
Stop us now, watching it come true.